These heat pumps are made by Daikin Comfort Technologies Manufacturing LP, which is a part of Daikin Industries Limited for the Everrest Group. The units use R-410, a refrigerant which is not as earth-friendly as brands that use R-32, but they are backed by a good guarantee that includes a lifetime warranty on the compressor, which is the heart of any heat pump. The units have all aluminum evaporator coils which resist corrosion and variable speed blower motors for quiet and efficient operation. They use louvered metal panels to protect the condenser coil from mechanical damage, which is superior to brands that use wire grills. They are only sold through an authorized dealer network. The APHH5 models are for slab mounting and have a 15.2 SEER cooling efficiency and a 6.7 HSPF heating efficiency, while the APHM3 units can be field converted from horizontal to down flow for roof installation. The APHM5 heat pumps are premium units with a two-stage compressor, a 15.2 SEER cooling efficiency, and a 6.7 HSPF heating efficiency. The brand does not offer a model that qualifies for the HvacRepairGuy Ultimate category. This brand receives an overall 4-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.